Hi, this is a tool that will help you export tables from ETABS into Excel very easily. Sometimes you have your own Excel sheets made and you need to just replace the data from your ETABS into those Excel sheets. To do this, it's a very long procedure from ETABS. You have to go into the display menu, go to the tables and then select the tables and then export them, and then you have to copy and paste the data from these Excels into your own Excel sheet. To avoid this and speed up your process, you can use this tool. All you have to do is click on this button to attach to an existing ETABS model. You'll get all the tables that are available. You can type your filter query here. It will just filter out the tables. So for example, I want these tables. These two tables are selected. Once I click on export, it will ask me for the Excel file. So let's open the Excel file. Yeah, this is my summary sheet, and this is where all my data would be replaced, and these two sheets. So the tool has replaced the data, and I can get the summary here. So you can have your own Excel sheets and use this tool to replace the data from the main tables.